Hello student, today we will learn English grammar chapter number 4 pronouns. So what is a pronoun? A word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. We have learned noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So pronoun is what? It is used in place of a noun. For example, Satish is a good student. He is clever and steady. Now Satish here. This is noun. The next sentence is he is a good student. He is clever and steady. He. He is what? So he is used in place of his name. So this is called a pronoun. Saina opened the window. She was feeling hot. Now Saina is the name of a girl. She has opened the window. She was feeling hot. So she, this pronoun is used in place of her name noun. Maria and Denzel have a pet dog. They love it very much. Now Maria and Denzel, this is the name of a person. This is the name of a person. They had a pet dog and they loved it very much. So they, they, this pronoun is used instead of their names here. The children and I went on a picnic. We had a good time. Now the children and I went for a picnic and we had a good time. We is used in place of the children and I. So he, she, they, we, all these words are what? These words are all pronoun because they are used in place of a noun. Now read the following paragraph. John and Mary lived just outside the town. John and Mary decided to visit John and Mary's grandmother, Mrs. Anna. So John and Mary left by bus. On the way, John and Mary stopped to buy some snacks for Mrs. Anna. John and Mary reached Anand's John and Mary reached Anna's house. When Mrs. Anna saw John and Mary, Mrs. Anna was delighted and requested John and Mary to stay for dinner. John and Mary thanked Mrs. Anna for the kindness Mrs. Anna had shown. Imagine how interesting it sounds when you read such matter with repetitive word. Hence, in order to break the unpleasantness, nouns can be replaced by words which are known as pronoun. The same paragraph is more pleasant to hear when read thus. John and Mary lived just outside the town. They decided to visit their grandmother, Mrs. Anna. So they left by bus. On the way, they stopped to buy some snacks for her. They reached Anna's house. When she saw them, she was delighted and requested him to stay for dinner. They thanked her for the kindness she had shown. So, the words which are highlighted here, written in block dark color, they, she, her, all such words are what? Pronoun. Now we'll see the kinds of pronoun. Read the following sentence. She is reading a magazine. We shall visit the old fort tomorrow. The the ants are always busy. They are industrious insect. You are very helpful and kind. So the underlined words stand in place of person or thing. Pronoun that stand for person or thing are called personal noun. So here is some exercise I am giving you. Put a circle around the pronoun. This you have to write in your notebook. This video, the definition, example, everything you have to write in your English grammar notebook. And if you have English grammar book also, that you also complete the exercise. When Akbar heard this, he burst into laughing. So here you have to circle which word is a pronoun. So in this first example, which is the pronoun? He, He, he. So this you have to circle it. Next is you are the greatest of the kings. Tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. When it starts raining, we all gathered at our favorite grassland where there are no people to disturb us. It helps me to impress my soulmate. We are afraid of hunters that kill us for fun. Can you help us? He wove beautiful fabric and sarees. If you tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. She was so well trained in karate that no one could beat her. You are stronger and smarter than her. When you it in but when you boil it in water, it makes a delicious nourishing soup. Luckily, I had just a few left. I am really speechless when noble ideas. You are all been so kind and helpful. He accepted his defeat. He gave a special pat on the back of the Clean Brigade. It acted as a spiritual stimulant to him. It refreshed him and infused new strength in him. I am tired of this. I am getting tired of this. You have done a splendid job of bringing up the heir to the British throne. I shall wait for your return. He opened the casket, but it was not the right one. He thought to himself, I too have tortured my body to starvation. Now the second question is, complete the chart of personal pronoun using words from the bracket. Him, our, we, he, her, their, it, meet, your. So person, pronoun. So the first one is I is given. I is used for a single person, and when many are there, then we write there we. My ours. Me, us. Mine, ours. Second one, you, your, you, yours. And third is he, she, it, they. His, her, its, their. Him, her, them. His, hers, its, their. So this is the lesson pronoun we have completed. Write down in your notebook and do your homework and submit your homework in time. Thank you so much. Have a good day.